Welcome my friends. Today we are going to look at how to use or how to generate CDR reports. For generate this CDR report, you need to first log into the Cisco Call Manager. The purpose of this CDR record is you can get a report what are the calls which it has taken by the particular directory number. So in here you can enter the directory number whatever you want, and you can search what are the calls incoming and outgoing which have handled by that particular directory number. So this report will be important for us. So for generate this report, you need to go to the Cisco Unified Serviceability. For go to that, you can use this navigation drop down menu and click Unified Serviceability and then press the go button. So it will take bit time, then you will redirect it to the another page. In here you can see this is Cisco Unified CM administration, but once you redirect it, it will be a different page. So you can see now we are in Cisco Unified Serviceability tab. So in here you need to redirect, or you need to go under tools and CDR analysis and reporting. So you need to go tools, CDR analysis and reporting. So once you click that, you will redirect it to another page. So you can ignore this first warning page and you can go to CDR. You can see there are several tabs available in here, but you can go to the CDR and go to search and press by user or phone number / zip URL. This is the path which you have to follow in order to generate CDR report. Just click it and you will have another page. So it's like this. Here you need to add whatever the extension number or the external number. That means it should be a mobile phone. So from that mobile phone, if there's any call coming to the particular extension which is registered to this call manager, you can see it. So other than that, you can enter the directory number in here. So as example, I am going to enter 2001 and you have to press this add phone number. So then it will add it. You can add multiple numbers and you can select the time zone in here and you can select the date range. If I take October 4 to 6 2020, and you can select the time frame here also and you can press OK. So once there's a directory number which is hit the calls and other things, you can have a separate report. In here our case there are no any calls hit that extension, that's why there's an error code. But if there's any calls hit that particular extension number, you will have a report in here. So you can export that report into the Excel, or you can save it as a PDF in here. So I hope this may helpful for you. So hope you can take report by using this method also. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and always welcome your comments. Thank you very much.